Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a curvy table with a little drawer on it. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can set the height around 500 and the length around 1000 millimeter. So and then we have to push it up around 750 millimeter. Okay, I think it's enough. So and then we can make the guiding line. We can start from here to the 100 to the bottom. So and then we have to select a 2-point arc and we can use it until it appear a magenta color over there. Okay, so we just draw it. So then we have to push it to the back for anything unnecessary plane or unnecessary line over there. So then we have to delete it. Just delete the unnecessary guiding line anyway. So and then we can select this line. We can select this line, curvy, like select this curvy and this line, and then we can offset it inside around 100 millimeter only. Okay, so you can look at this, then we can push it to the back side around until the limit, so we can see about the shape. We can see about the shape. Then we have to make it group anyway. So that and then we can just enter to this group table, and then we have to draw a rectangle over there, just a little rectangle for the drawer itself, and we have to push it to the back around 500 millimeter only. Okay, so you can see about the inside of this drawer case anyways, and then we have to make the rectangle over there to make the inside of this drawer case. Okay, and then we have to make it click it all, make it group, and then we can push, we can move it to the forward. Then we can select this plane, so then we can just offset inside around 10 millimeter. Okay, so then we have to push it down around 60 millimeter only. So this is about the little drawer, and then we have to push it. We have to push it this side to the back side a little bit more, around 15 millimeter. So then we can create the rectangle over there to make the pull little pull up and simple modern pull of this drawer. So and then we have to push it to back around 15 millimeter on also. And as usual, we have to select this line. So then we have to move it up to make the pull handle over there. So it look more simple and modern look of this table and little drawer over there. And then we can make the another color of this inside of this drawer anyway. So and then we can make the color, maybe we can choose the yellow color in this drawer to make it difference than the all of component over there. And okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about this basic tutorial of making little table with a little drawer, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.